Hi, my name is Devin. I work with lum'sautocenter here in Warrenton, Oregon, and today I'm going to show you how to change out a headlamp in a Tacoma. You want to get your gloves on, because you don't want to touch it with any moisture. It will cause the bulb to shatter. Disconnect to the low beam and twist it out to the left. And you pull it out, and you want to make sure not to touch the light itself. And when reinstalling, you want to use dielectric grease to help keep moisture out and also keep the connection clean. And to install, you'll just put it right back in, find its locks, twist it down, and plug the connector back on. And then for the high beam, you do the same thing. It's just located over to the left of it. Disconnect, twist out, you can do the dielectric grease again. You only need a little bit. And twist it back in, connect it back, and then you can test to make sure they're working.